In ancient China, there was a very wise man named Confucius. People from all around would come to listen to him, as he loved to learn and share what he knew with others. Every day, Confucius would study the world around him, read old scrolls, and talk with other scholars. He believed that learning was the key to a happy and meaningful life. One day, a young man, curious but a little lazy, came to visit Confucius. The young man said, "Teacher, I don't enjoy studying. Why should I spend so much time learning? Life seems fine without it." Confucius listened carefully and then smiled kindly. "Imagine you are in a dark room," he said. "In the dark you cannot see anything, and you do not know where to go. Learning is like a candle. When you learn, you light that candle. Suddenly, you can see your surroundings and find your way." The young man frowned, still unsure. "But, teacher, I can see just fine now. Why do I need more light?" he asked. Confucius chuckled. "Yes, you may feel you can see enough now, but think of a dark forest with only one small candle. The light may help a little, but if you have more candles, you can see even the farthest corners of the forest. You'll know where dangers are, where treasures hide, and where the best path lies. In life, the more we learn, the better we understand the world and ourselves." The young man thought for a moment and asked, "So, if I learn more, I can light more candles and make my world brighter?" Confucius nodded. "Yes, and not only for yourself. When you light candles, others can see more clearly too. Your wisdom can help guide people who are lost, like a lighthouse on a dark night." Inspired by this idea, the young man decided to start learning something new every day. Over time, he felt wiser and saw life in a new way. He understood now that learning didn't just help him, it allowed him to share his light with others. And so, thanks to Confucius's wise words, the young man grew up to be a respected teacher himself, lighting candles for many others to see.